Hello, welcome back. In this video we are going to see how to get our study area grid, only this part of the grids in our radiometric analysis, to get for potassium for this area, thorium and uranium. We already know that study area falls within the grid. So how do we do that? We go back to our as montage and we remember to open our folder. Our folders, if you can check in part of our folders, we have study area. It is open. We minimize. We'll open this one. We'll split them into two. I'm using Windows 11. Then you move this one apart like so. Now this is the longitude, this is the latitudes. Now all you need to do, we first come to the potassium. Let's minimize this one. Come to the potassium, is selected. Grid and image utilities, window a grid. We set first the potassium, you can see it. Then the output grid is K, that's potassium. Then the X mean is 8.76. X mass is 9. The Y mean is 11.6. The Y max is so. So cross check Y max 11.5 to 11.26, 8.76, X mean red. And this I like to name it lat long. Potassium in lat long is very important so that you're able to know which projection it is, so that when you look at the grid you know this potassium, that's our study area, X mean and the rest. Check, they will say okay. Now this is what we have as potassium. They will click on this, right click first, remove project, then come to thorium, do the same thing. Then gear immediate utilities, window a grid. You see it's already set. All you need to come is to come here and check for thorium. Then this one you change this to TH thorium. The same setting remain, 104 thorium, then this okay. This thorium, they will come back to this, right click, remove project, then uranium, the same thing. Immediate utilities, window grid, then set this one to uranium, and this one call it U. Everything is set, uranium U, they will say okay. Now this is what we have. They will click on this, remove from projects. So this is, now minimize this one or open up. This is what we have, potassium. So this you can see is what we have for the potassium. If you want to in a file project, always try to save. Then now let's check whether this one is okay. So this is the potassium. We can now click on this base, then click on the grid. It's been selected. Go to map, export, the same thing, geotiff, full map, check 100 and say okay. Go to your one more folder, go to raster. This is potassium LL. Okay, that's the study area. Then click save, then click back on this plus, then click outside. That's okay. File, project, save. Let's confirm this is the total one. Let's off this, you see there, off this one. Let's go back and open, select geotiff, then potassium, and see whether we got it correctly. Now click to stop. As you can see, that is where we are. You can see everything works perfectly. You can see that's exactly our study area we need. So everything is working the way we have, we need it. So this is how to get the study area grid. Then now the next thing we need to do is to project this one into a projected coordinate system XY, which we use for calculation. We need to have potassium XY, that is in project. This is already in degree. So come to grid image utilities, reproject. So start HF potassium first. See it, KLL. It's already in geographic, yes, but I want to change it now to potassium XY. Project, that is in meter. Projection is in meter. Next, then changes to projected XY. Of course, it's going to pick it up because we have been working on it. Then finish. So this is what we have. Potassium, they'll come to thorium. The same thing with the for thorium. Your utilities reproject grids. So set the thorium, you can see it, LL. Next, try to confirm the file. Then it's already in geographic, but we'll change this one to thorium XY, and that is what we have. Then projected, it's already selected, and that's what we have. Finish. Then the last one is that of uranium. Reproject grids. Uranium. Look at it. ULL. Double check. ULL. It's already in geographic. And now we change it to ULXY. Even though we're not going to use uranium here, but this is how to project them. Then it's okay. Then finish. Then these are all what we have, as you can see. Then come to Windows, close all, then File, Project, Save. As you can see, this is so far what we have. This is how to get the study area grades, and also how to validate that yes, our study area grade, the radiometric area is exactly the same as our study area shapefile we create, and all these towns are within it. Same thing with the mining points, and that's how we get the study area grades for the potassium, thorium, and uranium, and to make sure that all the towns are within the study area and also within the study area grades.